Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Question I just saw on Reddit was, does buying brand new windows add value to my older home? The quick answer is yes, absolutely it does. You got to think about it from the perspective of a couple of things. Number one, if you have brand new windows in an older home and some of your neighbors do not, your house is going to outperform theirs. The AC during the summertime was just constantly running. My mom would get the bill and look at it and go, my goodness, like $1,000 for your power bill. The value that you're actually gonna get from your brand new windows and doors is, well, how efficient they are. Now let's just talk about the actual value going up because you did brand new windows. When you think about it, you're investing into your house, you're putting thousands of dollars into the house and making it look beautiful, feel wonderful inside the house. It's more secure, better efficiency like we just covered. Do you think it's gonna increase the value of your house? Absolutely, because the house now looks better. If you were to sell the home, it's gonna be valued at a higher rate than it would if it had the old windows in it, because prospective buyers would look at that and be like, oh wow, the windows are already done, so that's one less thing we have to do if we decide we want to buy this house. But don't forget how wonderful and how valuable it is to get them for yourself, to enjoy the comforts of your house. I love coming home and seeing that greenish hue, because it feels like it's a brand new house. And my house isn't brand new, but when I did all the windows, it actually feels so great. I know anybody who goes out there and buys new windows, they feel it as well. It's one of the first things I always hear from customers after they get their new windows. That's the value, in my opinion. Okay guys, hopefully that answers your questions. If you have any comments, leave them in the comments section and make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.